Hey guys, my name is Rodion. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back to my channel if you're already subscribed. Before we proceed, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. This would be great help, and without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So this video is mega off topic for me because I usually just do gaming videos on this channel, and I do work in fashion myself, but I wanted to make the channel about video games, so it's kind of not about my work and I can easily separate my work life from my hobby life. But apparently I'm not able to, so I'm bringing my work into my channel. So about a month or 2 months ago, I participated on Yeezy Day, and it caught me by surprise because I'm just a normal confirmed app user. I never check when the new releases are coming out, and I just open when I feel like buying sneakers or check if there's anything new on the app. And if I like something, I might participate in a raffle or buy it, especially if I need it. Otherwise, I just don't open it. But so one day I was looking for black sneakers and I opened the app and there was a sneaker and I participated in a raffle. And the next morning when I woke up, I got a lot of notifications that the Yeezy Day has started. The one sneaker was already published last night, and I was like, oh my god, I participated for it. And I didn't know it was Yeezy Day. So I started to check online and there was a whole universe of the Yeezy Day. There was Twitter people, there was on YouTube a live stream and people were commenting. There were clues about how to get to the secret raffles because it was secret things you had to click in order to open something. For me it was all new and I was amazed by the whole community and all the things people are talking about, and how much it will be to resell it, for example, which is not something I'm interested in. I'm just interested to wear them, but still was super interested, and from this point on I became a kind of fan of how this is structured, and I'm very into it, and I can't wait for next Yeezy Day because I'm going to participate again. So yes, Yeezy Day ruined my day that day because I didn't plan to stay on up the whole day and on internet. I didn't do absolutely anything with my life. I just sat there and participated in chats and everything. I mean, it's quite shameful, but it was a lot of fun, and I was trying to reach out to some of my friends to see if they would be interested in talking about this and participating, but nobody was. 2 of my friends actually helped me. I asked them to participate in a raffle for me for the foam runners because I really want foam runners, and in the 2 previous raffles I participated, I didn't win them. Bad news, I didn't win them this time as well. People were waiting for foam runners the most because the app also crashed hard when the raffle started for it. Well, I was participating and 2 of my friends for my size, and we all got accepted, but none of us got the runners, so I don't have them. So as a result of Yeezy Day, I was able to get 2 pairs. In this video I will be opening one of them, and I also have another Adidas box which is semi-precious to me. I will not talk about it in this video, but I have never opened it. I just bought it and put it aside. And I also have a Lego set that is correlated with it. So let's get into the unboxing. Here I have the box, and it says 350 Yeezy Boost made by Adidas. And on this side it gives size charts. So it says it's US 13, UK 12.5, and French 48. So I'm European size 46. I have absolutely all my shoes wardrobe in size 46. And as I mentioned, I work in fashion, so I have shoes from different brands, always in size 46. So I don't know what made Adidas choose French sizing for the shoes and make it 48. And actually these ones are 48 and 1/3. Well, at least that's how I ordered them. And UK size I always wore in 12 or 13, so this being UK 12.5, maybe I should go size higher next time. Oh, okay, so this is how sneakers look like. So they have this semi-transparent rubber sole which has Boost logo on it, and Adidas logo as well. And then inside it has this white part, which, I mean, you can tell my room is quite empty, by the way. It's because I just recently built new furniture, and it was from IKEA, and everything was packed with this white thing for things not to break, especially the glass. It's kind of similar, but it's not. But I absolutely love this Beluga knit on top, and that's the main reason I participated in a raffle for this pair. There is a loose thread on the left shoe, which is unfortunate, but I don't think it's possible to see it. Oh yeah, I love them. I even don't mind the orange stripe. Originally, I did not like the orange stripe, but now I feel a little bit more into it because they do look quite minimalistic and there is like little orange threading throughout the whole shoe, so it kind of makes it all come together and I enjoy it. And they're pretty stretchy and the sock is stretchy and the back part is stretchy, so they will be very comfortable, I assume. So let me try it on. So I'm gonna try them on first with the socks on and the sole inside being inside, just to see if... Oh wow, they're small. I don't know if you can see, but like I can feel all my bones of my toes here. So I guess, as I always do, I'll have to take the sole out of here. Luckily, it's pretty easy actually. Oh, it's very thin. I don't think I'll be able to do it. Well, whatever, let me try anyway. Okay, this is much better. I wonder if without socks, it will be even better. Or just maybe get a thinner ones, because those Ami socks are quite thick. Okay, now I have it on and I'm pretty sure I can get used to it. So I'll do some inserts about how it looks on feet. And also I kind of dressed up for it in anything gray I own and silver. So I'm currently wearing Ami gray socks. I have Zara shorts on, which is obviously an imitation, or they look very similar to Plissé by Seimiyaki, but I'm very confused with the sizing of the Seimiyaki, so I kind of hesitated to buy it, so I got the Zara option. And then I'm wearing ASOS boxy t-shirts. It's kind of ASOS design, I believe, the t-shirt, and I really like the fit and they're very comfortable for summer. And I'm wearing Maison Margiela bracelet. In case you wondered, I feel a little bit like those fashion YouTubers that like 30 daily outfits, blah blah blah, but I just think it will give a different dimension to the video, that's why I decided to do it. So again, I was hesitating to participate in the raffle for it because this one is one of most successful styles and colorways for the brand. Literally everyone interested in sneakers or anyone just want to look cool, have this pair, or had it long time ago before this one came out. And at the end of the day, I really enjoyed always the Beluga colorway, and when I saw it on someone, I always wanted to have it. The big minus originally was the orange stripe. I don't own a single piece of orange clothing, but at the end I'm kinda digging it now, so I'm happy I got it. Originally, this model was released on 18th of December 2021. It was first teased on Yeezy Mafia Instagram account in the end of May 2021 with a note launching holiday 2021. Beluga is the most popular colorway of the model. This model basically is original colorway with addition of reflective fibers sewn into the gray primed knit upper. Aside from the subtle enhancement, the updated silhouette is very similar to the original Yeezy Boost 350. It has the orange side stripe marked with SPLY 350 branding and full-length Boost sole that's wrapped in a semi-translucent rubber cage. I read this from the online, I don't remember from where, probably from Hypebeast or something. Alright, so honest final feedback, I'm in love with the sneakers. I'm pretty sure that I will wear them the whole upcoming season of autumn and maybe even in winter, because I mean they are this interesting gray color that is not the darkest and not the lightest, so it's kind of perfect. I don't mind the orange color anymore as much as I minded it originally, and yeah, I'm like very happy, and I'm kind of considering now that I want to have another one of Yeezy Boost 350, but maybe without such bright color on it. So if you like this sort of videos, please consider clicking like, subscribing and leaving a comment. It will be great help for my channel and it will inspire me to do more videos like this. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.